As you already know, SOLIDWORKS designs are connected to one another through references. Oftentimes, these files can be unintentionally modified, breaking the references. Well, reference management is one of the main reasons why SOLIDWORKS created PDM. So let's take a look and see what PDM can do for us. SOLIDWORKS PDM uses the File Explorer interface that we're familiar with to display information on our designs, such as parent-child references, allowing us to better understand what files are being referenced and where. PDM does this by means of the Contains tab, which shows the file reference structure of the selected file, and the Where Used tab, which shows the file that references the selected file. Not only does PDM show the parent-child references for a design, but for any file in the PDM environment that can be renamed or moved, the system keeps track of changes. So associated files maintain the references as opposed to having to fix them manually. And this is how PDM automatically manages references.